Have you ever heard the saying, the first million is the hardest? Well, that's wrong. Legendary investor Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's right-hand man, said something different. He said, the hard part of the process for most people is the first $100,000. The first 100,000. That is the mountain. It is the brutal, slow, painful climb that separates the dreamers from the doers. But here is the secret that changes everything. Once you summit that mountain, the path to $1 million becomes almost inevitable. Today, we are breaking down exactly how to build your first $100,000 portfolio. No get-rich-quick schemes, no magic tricks, just the blueprint. Let's start with the brutal math, because we need to be honest about what we're up against. If you are starting from zero and putting away $650 per month, earning an average 7% annual return, it will take you about 9.5 years to reach $100,000. That is almost a decade of discipline. The first few years are the most painful because your money isn't working for you yet. In year one, you might contribute $7,800, but you only earn a few $100s in returns. It feels like you're pushing a boulder up a hill. But here is the good news. Once that boulder crests the hill, it starts rolling on its own. After you hit $100,000, the second 100,000 comes faster, around 5 years. The third, even faster. This is the snowball effect of compound interest, and it is the single most powerful force in wealth building. So, how do we get that snowball started? Step 1. Increase your savings rate. Before you worry about picking the perfect stock or timing the market, focus on the one thing you can control, how much of your income you keep. One financial expert put it bluntly. Focus on increasing your income and your savings rate before you optimize your portfolio. An extra $1,000 monthly gets you there years faster than chasing an extra 1% return. Aim for a savings rate of at least 20%. If you can push it to 40% while you're young and have fewer commitments, you will accelerate your timeline dramatically. Step 2. Start investing as early as possible, and do not wait for the perfect moment. Leaving your cash in a bank account earning next to nothing is letting inflation eat your purchasing power. Many people try to wait for a market crash to buy in, but that is a losing game. What matters isn't timing the market, it is the time you spend in the market. Even a modest weekly contribution of $50 can build real momentum surprisingly quickly. That adds up to $2,600 a year. Combined with a long-term market return of around 8% to 10% per annum, that can snowball dramatically. This is the quiet power of compounding. Each dollar you invest works for you, generating returns that begin generating more returns. Step 3. Build a core long-term portfolio. And keep it simple. You do not need a complicated spreadsheet with dozens of stocks. Putting your money into low-cost index funds or ETFs gives you instant diversification with a single transaction. Index funds have consistently delivered superior returns over the long run compared to actively managed funds, and they do it with lower fees. For most people, the best strategy is to regularly invest in a broad market index fund that tracks the S&P 500 or the total stock market. Add some blue-chip stocks for stability, and you have a portfolio that can weather any storm. Now, let's talk about the magic number. $100,000. Why does everything change when you hit this milestone? Because your portfolio's growth begins to outpace your own contributions. In the early years, you are doing all the heavy lifting. But once you cross 6 figures, the market starts doing the heavy lifting for you. It takes about 9.5 years to reach $100,000 at a 7% return. But after that decade, it only takes just under 2.5 more decades to become a millionaire. That is the speed of growth under compound interest once you save 6 figures. The first 100,000 is the engine. Everything after that is just the ride. Here is your game plan. Step 1. Commit to a high savings rate. Automate your investments so you never see the money. Step 2. Invest consistently every single month, regardless of what the market is doing. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it smooths out the bumps along the way. Step 3. Stay the course. Do not panic sell when the market drops. Do not get greedy when it rises. Just keep investing. Reinvest your dividends. Let your gains compound. And remember, the goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to get rich slowly, surely, and permanently. We live in a world that glorifies instant gratification. But wealth is not built in a day. It is built in the quiet moments of discipline, the paycheck you invest instead of spend, the market dip you buy instead of fear, the extra hour you work on your side, hustle instead of watching TV. The first $100,000 is a long struggle. It will test your patience, your discipline, and your belief in the future. But if you can cross that finish line, you will have built something that no one can ever take from you. Financial momentum. The snowball will be rolling. And once it starts, there is almost nothing that can stop it. This is Wealth Architect. Don't just build a life, build a legacy. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Now, go out there and start building. See you next time.